Ever since Samsung started making foldable phones, people have been wondering when the display crease will disappear. Several other companies have made foldable phones with a reduced or nearly invisible display crease, but Samsung has kept with its design for some time since it's the only company making foldable phones that are also water-resistant. But that could all change with the Galaxy Z Fold 5 if this new display concept from Samsung Display is any indication. This new foldable display concept lets a user bend the display inward and outward, allowing it to fold completely flat in either direction. As per recent rumors, the Fold 5 should be employing a new type of hinge that folds flat, has a significantly reduced crease, uses a water drop-shaped inward design, and is still water-resistant. This concept appears to check most of those boxes. At CES 2023, Samsung Display had a concept on hand that was known as the Flex In and Out. Effectively, it was a display with a hinge that allowed the display to rotate 360 degrees. This means being able to close the device like the existing Galaxy Fold design, but also flipping the display all the way around the hinge. Samsung also showed off this idea as far back as 2021, but in a different form factor. Pictures of this concept show a form factor that's overall quite similar to the Galaxy Fold design, but folds past 180 degrees. The actual use case of such a form factor isn't really clear, but it's a neat design nonetheless. This concept device is also a tad bit wider than the Z Fold 4, which should help alleviate the issues with the narrower displays on the Z Fold line. While the Z Fold and Z Flip lines are still our favorite fold-in phones, this year's upgrades could be substantial. In addition to upgraded cameras, hinges, and displays, there's even the possibility that Samsung could use the extra width to put an S Pen inside a potential Z Fold 5 when it likely launches late this summer. What's more interesting is the ideas this hinge is employing. Samsung Display confirmed that this concept uses a water drop hinge, which leaves the display in a looser shape when the device is closed up. That in turn puts less stress on the display. It also leads to a device that folds flush with no hinge gap, as we've seen in Samsung's foldables thus far. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to adopt a water drop hinge like this, though it's certainly not expected that the device will be able to bend 360 degrees. In any case, it's neat to see the possibilities this opens. So what are your thoughts on this new 360-degree rotating display? Do you think it could replace the upcoming Fold line segments? Let us know it down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.